Hello friends, in today's video we'll see basic data types in R language. In R language basically there are important data types like characters, numeric, logical and complex. We'll see how to use these data types in programming of R language. So we'll see it in the RStudio environment. So first thing we will discuss about numeric data type. So as we discussed in the previous video that how to assign the value to the variable, same way we have assigned value 10 to the variable x. We'll execute this statement. 10 gets assigned to x. Now to check class of x, there is a function class bracket x and bracket complete. So after executing class of x, we'll get that value of x is 10, so it is numeric type. Now if you want to convert numeric data type into character, there is a function as dot character and variable name. So as dot character x. Okay, now this 10 numeric becomes character. We assign value of character x to y. Okay, so value of y gets data types of value of y is character. To check this, we can execute the command class of y. It is showing that it is character type data. Now we'll see about numeric data types. We take example that one variable b is assigned with value 10 numeric value. Then if we want to print that value, print b, 10 gets printed. Class of b is numeric as we see it previously. Now to check this whether it is particular type of data or not, using true or false. So there is a command is dot numeric. So b will check b is numeric because numeric 10 is considered as numeric also and is integer. It is not integer, it is numeric, right? So we'll check the difference between integer and numeric. So integer, suppose we consider c one variable, data type c 10l gets assigned to c, and is it integer? Yes, it is integer value. So we store d. One more thing we'll do, that we consider one variable d which get assigned as an integer value 15. Then class of d is integer, and is d is integer or not, it shows the values in true and false form. Yes, it is integer. Now the conversion of numeric data and integer data we'll see. We'll consider digital value, decimal value, that 10.5 gets assigned to f. So class of f is nothing but it's a numeric class and is integer f. False, because it is decimal values, so its data type is numeric, so it is not a integer, that's why it is showing us as a false. And class of f, it is numeric, right? Getting the difference between numeric and integer. Numeric means basically numeric considers the decimal values, where integer not considers the decimal values. So if we consider one simple one more variations in this example, as dot integer 3.15. so integer means it consider only the value before decimal point, so 3 is considered as integer. Then we assign one string as an integer. This is not applicable because the value we are passing, it's a character type and we are checking as an integer, so it gives us NA result. then integer true 1, if true it returns 1, if false it returns 0. Now we'll see logical data types. So logical data types, here we first of all consider two variables x and y. We assign 10 and 15 to x and y respectively, and checking whether x is less than y and assign it to the z with the statement z equal to x is less than y. So class of z is, now it's a logical class. We'll see logical operations with AND, OR and negation. We consider the same values of x and y. So x and y, yes, it is true. Only x value is 10. Then we consider two variables u and v, u as true, v as false. So u and v, we are doing ANDing of u and v, so it shows us the return value true and false is false. Then u and u or v is a true, and negation of u means it returns us false, right? Now we'll see complex data type. We know the format of complex data type. Z equal to 1 plus 2i. Z, print z value 1 plus 2i, and class of z is complex. These are the simple data types which are commonly used in R programming. Thank you for watching.